Understanding API Quotas, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: API quotas. This is a term that you might have come across if you are interested in technology or work in a related field. So, let's break it down together and understand what it means. Before we dive into API quotas, let's first understand what an API is. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It is a set of rules and tools that allows different software applications to communicate with each other. Think of it like a menu in a restaurant. The menu provides a list of dishes you can order, along with a description of each dish. When you specify what you'd like to order, the kitchen, i.e., the system, prepares the dish and serves it. In this analogy, the menu is the API, the order is the request, and the dish that is served to you is the response. Now, let's move on to the term quota. In general, a quota is a fixed share or allowance of something. It refers to a limitation set on something. For instance, if you are given a quota for the amount of water you can use in a day, you cannot use more than that set amount. Now that we understand what an API and a quota are, let's combine them. An API quota is a limit set by the API provider on how many API calls or requests a user or an application can make within a specific time period. This is done to prevent abuse and ensure fair usage. For example, a weather API might have a quota that limits you to 1,000 API calls per day. If you exceed this number, you may be temporarily blocked from using the API or required to pay for additional access. API quotas are crucial for several reasons. They help in managing server load, ensuring that no single user or application overwhelms the server with too many requests in a short period of time. They also help in preventing abuse, as without quotas, malicious users could overload the system. Lastly, API quotas are a way for API providers to offer tiered pricing plans, where users can pay for higher quotas if they need more access. And that's it for today's video on API quotas. We hope that this explanation has helped you understand what API quotas are and why they are important. Remember, they are essentially limitations set on the number of API requests you can make in a given time period, ensuring fair and efficient use of services. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!